So I have arrived in Dublin, and of course, I've had a pint and a half of Guinness. Don't recommend to do that on an empty stomach, but I've had to come outside because the music is very loud and I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't. Anyways, the accent here is so different. They're all they've got like much more breath here rather than Northern Ireland where it's like really harsh. I've already bumped into somebody that knew me. They were like, hello. Sorry, that's my Northern Irish accent. I've got to be a more Southern Irish accent. The guy that's playing behind the bar, he's great. I'll pop in a wee video because you have to say we every time you do anything. You have a wee drink. You're going for a wee walk. There's a wee store. It's a wee everything right here. Like if you don't say we in a sentence, then you're not doing it properly. Right, let's go to the music.